Biomimicry is innovation inspired by nature, the rapidly growing practice of emulating nature's strategies and patterns to create more sustainable technologies for people. Biomimicry is a relatively new science. It is the science that studies nature to find solutions to challenges that humans face. The idea is to study nature's best ideas and then imitate these designs and processes to solve human problems.
This is a leaf that she had.
An animal-based thing or plant?
I'd be the kid like
Actually see there. It's to real world and then jumped around is what we did.
Oh, we just looked at the different purposes, I guess. We were looking at fasteners versus protection. And then we just went back and circled all the man-made ones.
I thought of a pen, because that was like the first pen.
Solar power, because then if it's really bright outside, you get more natural light and you're not using as much energy because of
chain system.
Right. Make that thing on a classroom scale.
All the bottoms of the drop floated in the water, bounced back. And it was so hard because it's so
something. The solar powered calculator.
Runs way. They can control it. It's motorized. So there's regular classrooms and stuff. So this is a school, and we have a cylinder, or it could be hexagon shaped, and that's what the tube is. So kids can go up here to a higher level to get away from the tsunami wave. But we also have a submarine door that seals the cylinder so water can't get in there, and we said that's like a turtle pulling in the shell. The cylinder is strong like like a hexagon, like a beehive. And then with 500 or 300 kids up here, heat's going to rise like puppies piling on top of each other, sleeping, which is going to cause the heat-generated roof to say SOS. Low, and we have storage underground, and we have storage containers that have all your water, food, and all that.
And over, and they have a covered area. And the bottom is like that rubberized, so that way it protects.
Like Safeco Field.
Helps adjust the brightness of your fluorescent lights in your classroom depending on how much natural sunlight you're getting, and it mimics the flower.
Like the jellyfish is what it is.
Very nice.
So, in the event that they don't get out, that's what they would have.
School, then all of the kids and any of the community members that are close enough by could come to it, and they could get inside of it, and there would be emergency supplies inside there, and all we have so far is like an egg barbecuer in there, but this is shells, and then these, when everybody gets inside, you just close it up on the school property, so it also can double as a indoor covered play area for the kids. And
So it'll hold your phone as you go.
Hoping that it will pull a cord and it will inflate, and then we will get inside. It will float. It will fit 25 people in it, so a classroom, and it will protect us from the debris, which can get hit in the head and things like that with. It'll be secured, clearly marked, so that somebody can see what it is floating along, but it will also have a GPS tracking device, so that if we get somewhere out of our area, people will be able to find us.
Coffee hot is also good.
Yes, the boiling brew.
The middle school and high school session started off with introducing teachers to many types of drones that are being used today that were actually inspired from animal flight, specifically insects and birds. Teachers then proceeded to have the opportunity to use mini quadcopters, which is a gateway to using more advanced drones.
second finger.
Some principles of design and tried to group them accordingly to how we pull things out from in art, like symmetry, radial symmetry. So these are all symmetrical and radial symmetry, and line would be feather, but it's also texture, and those things have texture and the forms and shapes. And then movement, how can you move flying and elasticity and walking and swimming? And